In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Leonardo AI. And if you don't know what Leonardo AI is, Leonardo AI is simply an image generator tool that generates images, and it has been on the internet for a while now. But most people find it difficult to create an account on Leonardo AI because whenever you try to create an account on Leonardo AI, the system will they will try to let you join their Discord page, whereby you need to provide an additional information about yourself. You need to fill out a form before you can be accepted to use the tool. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can skip that process because it's a long process. So if you come to the official website right here, Leonardo.ai, if you come to Leonardo.ai right here, come and click on where it says start using Leonardo. So click on where it says start using Leonardo, and then you have to type in your first name and then your email address right here. Okay, so this is a tutorial purpose. I've already created an account with my email, so I'm going to use a temp mail for this tutorial. So when we come to temp mail, then copy the email right here and then paste it right here, and then type in a first name. Let me type in any name. So let me type in any name right here and then click on count me in. So once you click on count me in, here it says we are on the list. If you want to skip the queue, click here for instant access. Otherwise, look out for an early access invitation via email and remember to check your spam folder. Okay, so it says click here. Let me click here, and this is a landing page right here. As you can see, we have been brought to a landing page, and you can see here it says what's your name in the Leonardo Discord or Facebook group. Like I told you earlier, they will try to let you join their Discord community page to fill out some additional information about yourself before you can be accepted to use the tool. So you see, please fill out the form below to gain immediate access to Leonardo.ai. To reward community participation, we are on we are now priority whitelisting whitelisting users to have made the effort of joining our Facebook group or Discord. You can join our Facebook group here. You can also join the Leonardo Discord here. So I told you earlier, what's your name and then the email address you provided. But we are not going to go through this process. So as you can see, they are trying to let us join their Facebook group or their Discord group. But like I told you earlier in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can skip this process. Okay, so instead of coming to this official website right here to create an account where it says Leonardo.ai, instead of coming to Leonardo.ai, what you have to do is to come to the URL section right here, the URL section, and type in app.leonardo.ai. Instead of Leonardo AI, type in app.leonardo.ai, like this one you are seeing right here. Come and type in app.leonardo.ai, and it will bring you to this website. So as you can see on this website right here, it says sign in right here and then sign up. You can even sign in with your Google, but like I told you, I've already created an account with my email, so you will go with the manual process. So come and click on the sign up button right here and then provide an email and then a password. So I've already copied the email right here and then the password. Okay, and then click sign up. An account with this email. Okay, the email has already been this the email has already been used, so Let's use another email. So this is a new email right here. Then come to the website and then paste it. So after you have pasted in your email and then type in the password, you have created the password and then click on sign up. And now you can see we have sent a code by email to the email you provided right here. So let's go and copy the code. Here is the message, and then copy the code right here and come and paste it here and click confirm account. Now the account has been successfully created. So boom, here's their page. As you can see, you have been successfully created the account. Now we are on the official website. Now you can generate images based on the text we give to this software. We can generate images based on the text we type. So as you can see, and here are images generated by other people. All these images are generated by other people, and it is showing on the home page. So here are images of other people. And now let me show you how you can create images like this ones you are seeing right here. So this is images created by other people. Let me show you how you can also create an image just like this ones you are seeing on the home page. So if you come to the AI image generation, here is where you can create an image. All you have to do is to enter a prompt right here, and based on the prompt you give, this tool will generate you an image. So like you can see right here, there is a prompt I've already give to the software. So this is a prompt. Let me click on generating. Yeah, and once you click on generate, this tool will generate you an image. So this is the image it created for us. Okay, looking good. This is very nice. This is the second one, high quality image, and this tool is completely free. This is free to use. So this is how you can generate an image, and you can choose the number of images you want to generate right here, and then also the dimension. You can go by the 16 by 9. Let's try the 16 by 9. Okay, here is the 16 by 9. Oh, to be honest, this tool is great. I can't lie to you. Like as you can see, it is high quality and then portrait as well, because look at the background. The background has been blurred, and this is the main character. Wow, this tool, and I can't believe this tool is free. High quality images. So that's the 16 by 9, and here's where you can choose the number of images you want to generate. And they also have different type of models. This tool has a lot of models that you can use to generate the image, and for now I'm using the 3D animation style. So this is like a cartoon images. Okay, and they also have the icon. You can choose the style you want, whether anime, creative, dynamic, environment, general, and a whole lot. I'm using the dynamic one because it gives the best results. Now let's go and talk about the types of models they have. So Leonardo AI has a different types of models, and this one is a recent one. At first this model wasn't there. This model is new. And also the dream shaper, they have updated the dream shaper as well. At first it was within version 5, but now it is version 7. And the 3D animation style, This is the one I mostly use, the 3D animation style. And then anime pro, anime pastel, dream, and a whole lot of models, different type of models. This is absolute reality. And then deliberate, Leonardo diffusion. This one too is very great. Leonardo diffusion, I sometimes use that one. They have lunar, isometric, sci-fi buildings, a whole lot of models. They have brought different types of models. At first, the models wasn't the at first the models wasn't that many, but I think for now they have built in more models. So these are all the types of models you can use, and it is completely free. And also one thing I forgot to say, whenever you create an account to Leonardo AI, you'll be given 150 tokens, which you can use for every 24 hours. Every day you have 250 tokens to use. Yeah, so these tokens refresh every 24 hours, so you don't have to worry. You can use it as many as you can use to generate as many images as you want. So yeah, I think that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you give a thumbs up, like the video, and then most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.